right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their Mosasaurs. This is a 2.4 gigahertz remote control, full function swimming RC dinosaur. We're going to, of course, unbox this for you and show you exactly everything that comes in here and what you may need. So let's open it up. There's not a lot around the box, just it sprays water, and it's got the propellers to drive. Notice when the light is on, the charging of the battery is complete. Good to know. Forward, backwards, swim to left, swim to right. Precautions, just a cool logo. Let's cut this. Yeah, that's it for the box. All right, so what all do we have here? So we have a little, this looks like a Sega Genesis controller. Oh, they're both just forward back. That says water spray, one-click demo. And looks like there's an on-off switch, of course, a screw to get to the batteries. And this part is actually 3 pieces. You can see little propellers in there, and there's 3 screws to take out whatever's inside there. Very interesting. So yeah, it looks like just this clips down into here and here. It's easy enough. And then it's very similar for this one. So we'll put this one in, and then it kind of clips into place. There we go. Now our dinosaur is ready to swim. What else we got? So we've got a little instruction guide. Tells you about the AAA batteries that are not included, and requires a rechargeable battery, which is, I think, what's right here. So what do we have? So we have a screwdriver to get to these little annoying screws. We have a little proprietary USB charger where it looks like this can just slide right into there. See the light, which it says the light on means that it's fully charged. So they must have fully charged this battery before it left the factory. I'm not gonna worry with charging it. This though definitely goes down right in here where these 3 screws are. That's what it's showing here on the diagram. It will be energized when put into water. So what that means is that there's no on-off button for the actual device itself. Once you charge up the battery and you put the battery in here, you literally just take this and put it in your water, and then you'll have your remote control. Make sure you put your new batteries in here and literally just flip your switch to on, and then it should sync to this and instantly take off and do what you need. That's how all the other RC boats that I've played with have worked. As soon as they touch water, that's when they're able to take off. Now for our little dinosaur friend here, we will take out these 3 screws. And there we go. Oh, look at that. There's already a battery in here. So this comes with 2 batteries. Wow. Well, this one, I don't know if it's charged. So I'm going to disconnect this one. We will plug this one in. And then, yeah, we'll just kind of cram that back down in there. It's pretty easy. And then, ooh, that's got some real weight to it. And then we just pop that back in, and then we will retighten these and make sure it's nice and snug. There we go. That's together. As soon as we remove this annoying screw that is absolutely unnecessary, then we can get to where our AAA batteries go. And then once those are in, we'll put this in the water. We'll turn this on, and it'll connect, and we'll be able to use it. And so here's what it looks like actually in the water swimming around. So to activate it, we gotta throw it in the water. Oh, look at that little blue light came on.
Nice.
And then so now we can flip this to on, but it looks like that the blue light went away. So let's see if it works. All right, there's a one-click demo button. I'm gonna try it. Now let's try the demo mode again. It literally has little jets in there. Not jets, but little spinning propellers. It looks legit too.
I love the tail.
Oh yeah, there's a water spray. And so that'll do it for this RC swimming dinosaur unboxing. Hope you guys have liked the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.